A beloved classic peanut butter's enduring appeal. Peanut butter, a creamy and nutty delight, holds a special place in the hearts and pantries of people worldwide. Its origins can be traced back to the Aztecs and Incas, who ground roasted peanuts into a paste. However, it wasn't until the late 19th century that peanut butter as we know it today was invented. Its rich flavor and satisfying texture have made it a beloved staple for generations. The smooth, creamy consistency, or the delightful crunch of peanut pieces, offers a sensory experience that is both comforting and indulgent. Whether enjoyed on toast, in sandwiches, or as a key ingredient in countless recipes, peanut butter's versatility and undeniable deliciousness have secured its status as a culinary icon. From classic peanut butter and jelly sandwiches to innovative dishes like peanut butter chicken and peanut butter smoothies, its uses are endless. Peanut butter's versatility and undeniable deliciousness have secured its status as a culinary icon. It can be found in sweet treats like cookies and brownies, as well as savory dishes like satay sauce and salad dressings. Its ability to complement both sweet and savory flavors makes it a unique and indispensable ingredient in many kitchens. From childhood snacks to adult indulgences, peanut butter has a way of evoking feelings of comfort and nostalgia. Many of us have fond memories of enjoying peanut butter sandwiches during school lunches or as an after-school snack. A simple peanut butter and jelly sandwich can transport us back to carefree days, reminding us of the simple pleasures of childhood. The combination of sweet jelly and savory peanut butter creates a perfect harmony of flavors that is hard to resist, while a spoonful of peanut butter straight from the jar can provide a moment of pure satisfaction. It's a quick and easy snack that can be enjoyed anytime, anywhere, offering a burst of energy and a sense of indulgence. Its ability to transcend generations and cultures is a testament to its universal appeal. Peanut butter is enjoyed in various forms around the world, from American peanut butter cookies to African groundnut stew, showcasing its global versatility. But peanut butter is more than just a tasty treat. It is also a source of essential nutrients, making it a nourishing addition to a balanced diet. Its high protein content makes it a popular choice for athletes and fitness enthusiasts. It is also a source of essential nutrients, making it a nourishing addition to a balanced diet. Packed with protein, healthy fats, fiber, and a range of vitamins and minerals, peanut butter offers a variety of health benefits. Packed with protein, healthy fats, fiber, and a range of vitamins and minerals, peanut butter offers a variety of health benefits. It can help with weight management, support heart health, and provide sustained energy throughout the day. Peanut butter offers a variety of health benefits. Whether you enjoy it as a spread on whole grain bread, a dip for apple slices, or blend it into a smoothie, it can be a delicious and nutritious part of your diet. Whether you prefer creamy or crunchy, there's no denying that peanut butter is a true culinary treasure. Its rich history, versatile uses, and nutritional benefits make it a beloved staple in households around the world. So, the next time you reach for that jar of peanut butter, remember that you're enjoying a timeless treat that has been cherished for generations. Homemade delight crafting your own peanut butter. There's something incredibly satisfying about creating a staple food item from scratch, especially one as beloved as peanut butter. While commercially prepared peanut butter is readily available in a variety of brands and flavors, there's something special about making your own at home. The process is not only fun, but also allows you to experiment with different flavors and textures. Not only does it allow you to control the ingredients and tailor the flavor to your liking, but it also ensures that you know exactly what goes into your peanut butter. No preservatives, no unnecessary additives, just pure, wholesome goodness. The process begins with the star ingredient, peanuts. Roasting them yourself fills your kitchen with the irresistible aroma of roasted peanuts, a scent that is both comforting and mouth-watering. Fortunately, making your own peanut butter is surprisingly simple and requires minimal ingredients and equipment. All you need is a food processor, some peanuts, and a few optional ingredients to customize your spread. To begin, you'll need 2 cups of roasted, unsalted peanuts. These can be found at most grocery stores, or you can roast raw peanuts yourself for an even fresher taste. If you prefer a slightly sweeter peanut butter, you can use honey-roasted peanuts. This adds a subtle sweetness that complements the natural flavor of the peanuts. Spread the peanuts in a single layer on a baking sheet and roast them in a preheated oven at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for about 10 minutes, or until fragrant and slightly darkened in color. This step is crucial as it enhances their flavor and makes them easier to grind. Stir the peanuts occasionally to ensure they roast evenly. Once done, let them cool for a few minutes before moving on to the next step. Once the peanuts have cooled, add them to a food processor along with a pinch of salt. The salt helps to bring out the natural flavors of the peanuts. Pulse the peanuts several times to break them down into smaller pieces. This initial pulsing helps to prevent the peanuts from clumping together. Then, process continuously for 1 to 2 minutes, stopping occasionally to scrape down the sides of the bowl. This ensures that all the peanuts are evenly ground. As the peanuts are ground, their natural oils will be released, creating a smooth and creamy texture. This is when the magic happens, transforming simple peanuts into a luscious spread. If you prefer a thicker peanut butter, you can add a tablespoon or 2 of peanut oil or another neutral-tasting oil such as grapeseed oil. This helps to achieve the desired consistency. For a sweeter peanut butter, add a drizzle of honey or maple syrup to taste. This not only sweetens the spread but also adds a unique flavor profile. Once the desired consistency and flavor are achieved, transfer the homemade peanut butter to an airtight container and store it at room temperature. Enjoy your homemade creation on toast, in sandwiches, or straight from the jar with a spoon. The possibilities are endless, and the satisfaction of having made it yourself is unparalleled. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe for more informative videos.